Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add SIM card number on your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see the dual SIM and mobile network. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in dual SIM and mobile network, okay, in SIM info and setting, okay, you can see the SIM 1 and SIM 2. And okay guys, you can choose the SIM you want to add the mobile number. And okay guys, I decide to add the mobile number in SIM 1. And okay guys, here in SIM 1, okay, in SIM card info, you can see the SIM card number. Okay, you all have to do to add the mobile number is click SIM card number. And okay guys, now here in SIM card number, okay, you can add the number of your SIM card. And okay guys, after you add the mobile number of your SIM card, okay, you all have to do is click save button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, now you can see the SIM card number. And okay guys, okay, go back. And also, you can see the SIM card number in your SIM info and setting. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.